Hi y'all, I'm Arwen, the professional joy seeker. I'm trying to do my video in a different way now. I'm using my own web camera pre-recording because YouTube and Facebook have both been rather much buttholes about sound and stuff. So I'm hoping this all works, but at least I'll be able to check first. Today we're going to talk about the Catland Oracle. This is by Joanna Nelson with book by Trish Sullivan. Both Trish and Joanna are part of the team that does 78 Tarot with Katie Welsh Stewart. I think Katie, I just screwed your name up, but with Katie being one of the mastermind of this. This comes in a lovely box. This is available on Etsy. I backed the Kickstarter. Right? Nice box. Big. Here's an iPhone 8. I couldn't remember what kind of iPhone I had. So it's as tall as an iPhone 8, and it's a little bit wider than an iPhone 8. Just so you have an idea of dimensions. It says an oracle deck designed to navigate your mindscape perfectly with the whimsical and light-hearted art of Joanna Nelson. Now, I'm a huge fan of her art. I have her Tarot, the Monster Tarot, and love it. It's a really good deck, and it reads really well for me. I opened this deck up this morning, May 14th. I got it a while ago, and for lots of reasons, it took me a time to get around to it. I also, because I backed the Kickstarter, I had the opportunity to buy an original piece of art, and that's what I got, and I just adore it. The little expression on the cat reminds me of Bentley. Federico, the new kitten, yes, he's going to stay, is around here somewhere, so you may hear from him. Let's look at the guidebook first. Now, the guidebook is, it's thinnish, but you've got words and lots of words. Generally, when you're writing a guidebook, you're trying to stay within a certain amount of number of words. Like, typically, when I write for US Games, most books are between 3 to 350 words per card. And I need to get a description in there, and I need to get some divination in there. So it can be challenging. Here we have the beginning. Welcome to Catland. This, I gotta take my glasses off because it's too close. All content, illustrations, and design are protected by copyright. Respect copyright, people. There's an artist statement. There's getting to know your Catland Oracle deck. They talk about how to do a single draw. And a 3-card draw, Mindscape Challenge Manifestation. Then they go into the cards themselves. They are alphabetical. Thank you. Starts with attitude, and it ends with doopy-doopy-doop, wild thing. And I do mean thang, T-H-A-N-G. So let's take a look, shall we, at the Catland Oracle. And I do have them in alphabetical order, and I'm just going to go through and show them to you. That's attitude. Ball of energy. I can't tell if my camera is focusing or not, because with this new, it's like that big. City Kitty. Celebrate. This card showed up a lot in today's live Facebook video. Cosmos. Create. Crystal Visions. Makes me think of a Stevie Nicks song. Dance. Dreams. And Dream Maker. I kind of like the distinction there. Echo, echo. Electric Rainbow. This song makes me think of Electric Avenue, and so now I've got that song.
Rainbows are made when light and water droplets reflects, and disperses to form a spectrum of light in the sky. Our eyes tend to only see rainbows as multicolored arcs, but they can actually be circles.
Oh. Sorry. Entwined. Evolve. Fishy wishes. And who doesn't have fishy wishes? Fix you. That's Federico's card. He just had his second appointment today for his rabies and boosters, and now he's in a month. Guidance. Hideaway. Honey, honey. Honey, honey. Inner monster. Rico has been introducing his inner monster to all adult cats who think that lashing their tail is a good idea. Not around this Pound's house. He's like, boom, boom. We hear him growling and hissing, and he's just laughing and running. Justification. Kitten senses. And I really love this card. I don't remember if that one was one I could have bought. I think it was already sold if it was even available. But I'd have that up. If I had an office where I had people come in, I'd have that framed and hung in my office. Labyrinth. One of the things I like about Joanna's style is that the backgrounds have so much. I'm going to hold up Kitten Senses again. See what's going on right there? The little ghosty coming in through the curtains. Lots of things happening. Little Guardians. Masks. And a lot of these, you don't really need to look at the book. Sorry, Trish. As a writer, that's kind of like opposite of what I should be saying. Read the book, study the book, learn the book, know the book. But the book exists to help you integrate, in my opinion. So you look at the cards, you think about what it says to you, you work with it, then look at what the author has written. And Trish is a great writer. She's got a great voice, really whimsical. She catches the nature of the card. So it's really good. But, you know, read the cards. The message. Night Watchers. We are the Night Watchers. Nurture. Paranoia. And I do love that these cards are not just all happy, happy, light, right? Happy, happy, joy, joy. That's Arwen's statement. But there are some cards in here that we do need to deal with, because paranoia, yeah. Playtime. I love the orange kitty. She reminds me of my vinegar. Puppet Master. Release. This showed up in this morning's when I was doing individual readings for folks. Rendezvous. Shine Time. Another of the kittens. I hope this is recording because I can't tell. Solitude. Soul Captain. Soul Train. Starlight. Sugar, sugar to go with honey, honey. Ah, sugar, sugar. Boom, 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 boom. You are my candy girl. Tea time. telescope. Twin souls. I've got a whole thing on twin souls and twin flames and things of that nature. Up a tree. Lord, haven't we felt that one? Village. This kitty is babysitting the birds. It's not attacking them. This is a peaceful and gentle card. Weaving. And last but not least, Wild Thing. This is a really, really sweet deck. I recommend it. Like I said, it is available on her Etsy shop. I think it's 40 plus shipping, which is a great price. So, yeah. Go forth and enjoy. Seek joy, y'all. If you want to see some more witchier videos and videos that I'm not sharing out on YouTube, because YouTube is really getting on my last nerve, do join me on patreon.com. I'm Arwen Lynch there. And for the price of a cup of coffee, you can get all your tarot scopes every week plus extra videos. Seek joy, y'all. Pass it on.